Ever wondered what zero waste means? We talked to someone who knows how to achieve it.
Hi, my name is David Johannes Suchy. I'm 31 and I'm from Berlin. We're in our restaurant Frea, which has just opened. We're the first 100% vegan zero-waste restaurant. And when we talk about zero waste and sustainability, we're primarily talking about food. How can we produce tasty, healthy, and sustainable food? It's simple. We make everything ourselves. We shun industrial production and just make everything ourselves, whether it's drinks, our own bread, our own pasta, our hazelnut butter or hazelnut milk. Then there's our daily drinks, like water kefir. That's really probiotic. And our homemade kombucha. Everything's delivered straight from the farm, from the field to us in the restaurant. Whether it's mushrooms, leeks, or parsley. Everything comes to us unpackaged and plastic-free. We don't aim to veganize anyone or turn them into zero-wasters. At the end of the day, we just want to serve up good food in an undogmatic way. But we aim to remain pragmatic. We want to do something, not talk about it, just do it. Sure, many things are packed in plastic. We can't avoid that. But during renovation, we collected all the plastic that came into the restaurant and sent it to a company that melted it down. And now we've hung it on the wall. So this used to be about 15 kilos of plastic packaging. When I talk about the renovation, I mean the interior. How can we design the interior so it's as sustainable as possible? 80% of our furnishings come from eBay classified ads. Our tabletops were cut out of old oaken beams. Our 8 lampshades above the bar are by a designer I got to know about a year and a half ago. These lamps are made of mycelium, from a fungus that grows in the shape of a lamp. You feed them with sawdust, and within 7 days, it'll take on this shape. Then you dry it out, and it's finished. The lampshade doesn't weigh any more than 1 kilo. And if I should ever decide that I'm bored with it, and I never will be, I could just toss it in the composting machine, and it'll be gone. So these are 100% compostable lampshades. When we talk about zero waste and sustainability, we mean we take our food scraps, whatever we can't ferment or can, and we can't cook it or reuse it in any way, and throw it into a composting machine that turns all leftover foods into a soil surrogate within 24 hours. We give that soil to the farmers, and they spread it on their fields. So that's a wonderful 100% closed-loop recycling. And from that, delicious vegetables grow for us.